Digital Marketing Crash Course, Video Marketing. Introduction. In today's digital age, video has become an incredibly powerful tool for marketers. With its ability to captivate audiences, convey messages effectively, and evoke emotions, video marketing has taken the marketing world by storm. In this crash course, we will explore the realm of video marketing, discussing its importance, sharing interesting stories and examples, highlighting the top 12 video marketing techniques, and summarizing the key takeaways. Part 1: The Power of Video Marketing. Video marketing has revolutionized the way brands connect with their target audience. It offers a dynamic and engaging medium that allows businesses to convey their message in a more impactful and memorable way. Let's dive into some interesting stories and examples that demonstrate the power of video marketing. The Blendtec Will It Blend? Campaign. Blendtec, a blender manufacturer, created a series of videos showcasing the power of their blenders by blending various unusual items like smartphones and golf balls. These entertaining videos went viral, resulting in a significant increase in brand awareness and sales. Dove's Real Beauty Campaign. Dove launched a video campaign that challenged societal beauty standards and celebrated diverse body types. The emotional and thought-provoking videos garnered millions of views, sparking conversations and establishing Dove as a brand that promotes inclusivity. Old Spice's The Man Your Man Could Smell Like campaign. Old Spice created a humorous and memorable video featuring a charismatic character that instantly became a cultural phenomenon. The video generated millions of views, revitalizing the brand and attracting a younger audience. These stories demonstrate how video marketing can capture attention, create brand affinity, and drive meaningful engagement. Part 2: Top 12 Video Marketing Techniques to Excel in Video Marketing. It is essential to employ effective techniques that resonate with the target audience. Let's explore the top 12 video marketing techniques. 1. Storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that evoke emotions and connect with viewers on a deeper level. A well-told story can leave a lasting impression and build a strong brand identity. 2. Explainer videos. Create concise and engaging videos that explain complex concepts, products, or services. Explainer videos simplify information and help viewers understand the value proposition. 3. Customer testimonials. Feature satisfied customers sharing their positive experiences with your brand. Testimonials build trust, showcase social proof, and influence purchasing decisions. 4. Product demonstrations. Showcase your products or services in action. Demonstrate their features, benefits, and how they solve customer pain points. Visualizing the product's value increases desirability. 5. Tutorial and how-to videos. Educate your audience by providing step-by-step tutorials and guides. Help them solve problems, learn new skills, and position your brand as an industry expert. 6. Live videos. Engage with your audience in real time through live streaming. Conduct Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes footage, or product launches to create a sense of exclusivity and authenticity. 7. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, leverage immersive technologies to create interactive and engaging experiences. VR and AR videos can transport viewers to virtual environments, enhancing brand engagement. 8. User-generated content, UGC. Encourage your audience to create and share their own videos related to your brand. UGC not only increases brand awareness but also fosters a sense of community and authenticity. 9. Animated videos. Utilize animation to simplify complex concepts, add visual appeal, and create memorable storytelling experiences. Animation allows for creativity and can resonate with diverse audiences. 10. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influential personalities or industry experts to create video content. Their endorsement and reach can significantly amplify your brand's visibility and credibility. 11. Emotional appeal. Evoke emotions through your videos, such as happiness, nostalgia, or empathy. Emotionally driven videos tend to leave a lasting impact and encourage viewers to take action. 12. Personalization. Tailor videos to specific segments of your audience, addressing their unique needs and preferences. Personalized videos create a personalized experience, leading to higher engagement and conversions. Part 3, Summarizing the key takeaways. Video marketing is a powerful tool that can transform your marketing efforts. By utilizing the top video marketing techniques, you can create compelling content that resonates with your audience, drives engagement, and boosts brand awareness. Remember to prioritize storytelling, leverage the emotional appeal, and experiment with various video formats to find what works best for your brand. Poem. In a digital world, where stories unfold, video marketing's power takes hold. With captivating visuals and emotions so pure, brands connect with their audience, that's for sure. From Blendtex blending to Dove's Real Beauty, videos that touched hearts, leaving a lasting duty. Old Spice's charisma and humor so fine, video marketing's impact, a divine sign. Explainers simplify, testimonials build trust, tutorials guide, creating experiences robust. Live videos engage, AR and VR immerse, video marketing techniques, a marketer's verse. From animations charm to influencers sway, emotions that stir, leaving viewers in sway. Personalization and UGC's embrace, video marketing's prowess, a captivating chase. In this crash course, we've uncovered the essence, video marketing's magic, a true presence. With storytelling and creativity as our guide, we embark on a journey, reaching far and wide. Song. Verse 1, in a world of screens and digital dreams, video marketing reigns, or so it seems. Captivating and bold, it tells stories untold, connecting hearts, leaving memories to hold. Chorus. Lights, camera, action, let the story unfold, video marketing's power, a tale to be told. From explainer videos to influencers' might, we ignite the spark, shining bright. Verse 2, emotions run deep, as the pixels dance, engaging the audience in a mesmerizing trance. Tutorials guide, as animations delight, every frame a canvas, painting the night. Bridge, live and unfiltered, the moments we share, in a virtual realm, a world so fair. Personalized experiences, unique and true, video marketing's promise, we pursue. Chorus. Lights, camera, action, let the story unfold, video marketing's power, a tale to be told. From explainer videos to influencers' might, we ignite the spark, shining bright. Outro, so embrace the world of video marketing's grace, unleash your brand's potential, conquer the space. With creativity as your guide, success is in sight, video marketing symphony, playing day and night. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.